This video on internet super viral about these UFOs on Texas. I'm very skeptical about the UFO topic on Earth. I believe in aliens, but I believe they are out there, not these kind of objects that we are watching all over the world. I want to know what you think about this. We have people on Texas. We have some explorers here like Chris Green that is on Texas. We are waiting for the reports of this event. And I just want to know, what do you think about this? Is this a hoax? Is this something like they are pushing human-made stuff, pushing some kind of reaction of the institutions and governments? Feel free to comment below. This was on Texas, but it's happening all over the world. I'm focusing on this right now because soon, in 2 or 3 days, we will have the live stream as usually we do with the Geminids, so a meteor shower, and sometimes we capture weird things flying during those live streams, and it can happen here at my home as well. So I'm not worried, but kind of focused on this, let's say. There's another video as well about a capture of, it's breaking news, a capture of a new UAP, and you can see it here. It was on New Jersey, and the capture is all over the internet as well. So now we have something, no? At least it's what we think. Watching this, they capture an object, they took it down. They are probably drones, as you know, but these images are real, and now that they have that object, what will happen? What now? Will they release the information to us? We will fully understand what the heck is going on here on Earth, and what can we expect for the future? Comment below. I'm waiting for you, and if you want to know more and if you want me to dig more on this topic, just say I'm here for you. You have on Discord already a dedicated section for UFO UAP reports, so feel free to participate. It's discord.gg/Dobsonian power.